BMW has developed a new paint application technology called EcoPaintJet Pro, which is an overspray-free technology that allows vehicles with intricate designs, including two-tone offerings, to be painted faster and cheaper. EcoPaintJet Pro allows to apply paint more precisely, rather than using a paint gun that atomizes paint. The technology uses an orifice plate that enables high edge definition with a variable thickness of between 1 mm and about 50 mm. The technology allows BMW to apply colors so precisely that it can paint a two-tone paint job without masking, such as you might want on a hood with racing stripes. The individualization options are virtually limitless, because you don't need to have people masking body panels manually. Instead, you can just program a design into the computer and it paints onto the body panels like an inkjet printer. What do you think? Let us know in the comments section.